Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and we kind of got a weird angle here. So today I'm sharing how I'm packaging up treats. So this is actually a bag die from, I'll put it this way so you can see it better. This is a bag die. I believe I got it from AliExpress, and I don't know what I did with the die. I think I have it over on the other side of my room where my Big Shot is. And basically the way that it works is it does fit in a standard sized cutting machine. So it fits in my Cuttlebug, it fits on my Big Shot. I tend to run it through my Big Shot just because it's a little bit of a longer die. But basically you cut two of them and then you piece it together. It's pretty easy. It's a standard sort of box type putting it together. But all I did was put in a bunch of candy. Now these particular treats are going to be going to the little girls, and I have one boy who helped me in the library, my little volunteers in my high school library. And so I didn't want to be too fancy because let's face it, the kids are just going to eat the candy and throw it away. But I had some leftover paper that I knew I wasn't going to be using for my October daily. So I wanted to use that up along with some of the paper from Tuesday morning that I got, the Pebbles Halloween Fright or something like that. So I used some of that paper as well. And then all I did was use a lot of Tuesday morning goodies. I really did. So I used these felt pumpkins. This was a sticker from a sticker sheet that I had. This was a from Tuesday morning as well. So I used a bunch of Tuesday morning goodies. I kept it really, really simple, and they're just filled with a bunch of junky candy that the kids will love. So there's like a blow pop and bubble gum and now and laters and things like that. So I thought that'd be really fun. I have 8 kids, so I have 8 little bags that I made, and they're really cute. So they kind of remind me a little bit of like a little treat bag. So really cute. So that was the first thing that I made. And then the second thing, so that took a little while because I had to cut and assemble. I just used score tape. I mean, you could use wet glue and it's fine. So a lot of companies have these sorts of bag dies. I think Mama Elephant has one. I think almost every company does. I think I got mine from AliExpress, I think. So then I made treat bags for all my girls, my daughter's friends from her dance. So she has, including herself, she has 8 girls. Oh, same number, 8 girls on her dance team. So they're having a little party. So I thought it'd be really cute just to put together these little bags. So these bags right here I got from Target. That's right, Target Dollar Spot. And they're really cute because they're like little caramel apples, and you can kind of see through them a little bit, so they're pretty cute. But I just thought a cute little tag. So I made these because I was moving stuff around and discovered that I had a Tuesday morning little Halloweeny thing that I had not opened up, and I didn't put the rest of my Halloween stuff. So this is the tag kit, and unfortunately only comes with 6 tags, and I have 8 girls. So what to do? So I did use up the 6, and they look really, really cute. And then I made a couple really simple little tags. Really simple tags. So I just used my 3-in-1 tag punch from Hobby Lobby and some scrap that I had from other Halloween projects, actually from the bag project. And all I did was use this Trick or Treat washi. I do love when I get a chance to use washi because I have a ton of it. And a spider from the kit, because the kit came with 12 spiders, 6 little ones and 6 big ones. So I just used one little one on the Beware tag, and then on these tags, I use the big ones. I have this one. Where's the other one? And this one. So they're exactly the same. So really easy and quick little projects. I got to tell you, whenever I'm making stuff for the little ones, I won't say that I don't make them cute because I really do, but I don't do usually tons of layers and things like that unless it's Christmas. I go all out for Christmas. But because like Halloween, it's all about the treats, right? So they don't really care about the packaging as much. They really want what's inside of it. So I just I just don't do anything too complicated because then I won't feel bad when they rip it off, rip the tag off, and they start getting into the candy or wanting to see what's in there. So something that's in there, I should have left one out. I don't know what I did with the extra ones I had, but they had these little slime tubes, and they looked like tubes of slime. And my daughter was super concerned that the kids would try and eat it, that they would think it was candy, and it kind of does look like candy. So I got out my little stamp set and I stamped slime, and I taped it around the little slime containers because she was really worried that they would try and eat it because it looks like slime. So for the girls, the dance girls, they have candy and then they have little tiny vials of slime, which was a really good bargain. I think you got 5 little vials of slime for $1. So I did buy enough for that and with a couple left over for my daughter to play with because slime has not gone away yet, even though I desperately was hoping that it would disappear. But my daughter is still into slime, so I'm just hoping that she will grow out of it because I'm kind of tired of going into her room and finding science experiments. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Playing with the Heart.